Welcome to the Excelophy's Excel YouTube tutorial channel. Today I'll filter out list by electronic and mechanical departments. So we simply use filter function here. First, equal to, filter, tab. Select the entire array except column headings. Before include, we use comma, then, select the range of department in the array. And after that use equal to match the criteria which is equivalent to the electronics department. After that hit the enter key to see the filtered result under the electronic department. Again we use same formula to filter out the array under mechanical department. Equal to, filter, then select the array, then select the range of department column, which should be the equivalent to the mechanical department. Boom! Here is the final filtered result of array department-wise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tutorials videos.